Good, yeah. Go ahead. Up. All right, we're here at the junkyard with the tools. We're looking on the domestic Chevy engine. We were here yesterday, and we were here for like 2.5 hours, and we need more time to pull this part out. So I'll show you what it looks like now. All right, we're really close to see this Chevy Aveo. All right, we're here at the Chevy Aveo now. We were at the yesterday, like what? We need like a couple more hours, eh? Should have been. If we were like about an hour early, this could have been out already. So this is a replacement engine. Yeah, we need to take out the head and then take it with us. Day 2 on this head at the junkyard. Yesterday we were here and they were close, and then we don't have time to pull this thing off. Everything is loose. We just need to take out the inner coming cover on that side, and this head will come out. It's really loose. So yeah, we're gonna use this head. You can tell there's no gap here. On the previous one, there's a gap between the lube and the lifters. So we're gonna take this home with us and use this to our vehicle. All right, man, here we go. This one is finally out of the vehicle. This is the replacement. We're gonna clean this up. We're gonna take out the intake manifold, leave it here. Same thing with the throttle body. We're just gonna go take the whole head with cams and lifters and everything, because they charge us extra for those if we take this whole thing. Same thing with the EGR. We'll take those out. We're gonna use our old part. We have all the head gasket kits to seal all those gasket we need. So this is the donor car at the junkyard. Thank God we have this thing around in our neighborhood, and this is a good running car. You can tell because they have markings on them. That happy face right there means it's running. So yeah, not bad. Sidewalls, the sleeve on the cylinder on that one is not bad. All right, we kind of trying to strip everything off from this head. This is what we're gonna take. EGR is out, the intake is out. So this is what we're gonna get. 60 bucks, I believe. Hopefully 60 bucks for 4-banger, 60 bucks, and then for like a V8 probably like a 80. All right, let's get back. All right, paid the head 70 bucks right there. She's ready to come home. All right, guys, this is the new replacement head. That's the old one. We put the intake back on already with a new gasket. Same thing with the EGR pipe. It's all in there. We clean up the face of this head. Clean up good. and been a little bit more clean on the front. New head gasket we're gonna put in, and it's time to go in the block to clean the block and put the timing belt back on, exhaust gasket back on, and put everything back. All right, so about what, 2-3 hours later, we get the head on there. Everything is all buttoned up. Everything at the back, heater core hose. Oh, the sensor too, the coolant sensor needs to be connected at the back. And what else? Timing is good. TDC. Tighten up everything. For this one, we need a bolt instead of stud, so it's gonna be loud if we're gonna have to start this up. So button up all the wiring, O2 sensors, and we disconnect the signal wires and to the coil here, so we don't want to start it up. We're just gonna cycle the engine so that we build up pressure for the oil, and we're gonna cycle the key so that we could have pressure on the fuel rail here. We're gonna listen to a fuel pump to prime. And right now you can see there's a jumper box in here. We're just gonna use this jumper box to give a good crank, positive and then negative right there. It's not gonna hit on the frame or anything. This is all plastic, so it's not gonna hit it. I think that's about it. We're gonna hear it prime, key on, engine off. Hold on, I'm gonna connect the sensor. Okay, prime it, prime, key on.
This one.
This one. Again. No. Cycle the key.
I did.
Off. Again.
It's up now.
Okay, start it. Good, yeah. Off. So, like I said, we're gonna cycle the key, build pressure for the oil. Try again. Okay, I'm gonna connect this wire now. Hold on. I'm gonna connect this wire, and then this is for the coil. You can tell there's oil in there. I can smell fuel. Look for leaks first. We're gonna look for leaks. Seems everything's okay. Okay, let's start it up. It's gonna be loud. Hold on. The cable's stuck. Hold on. Turn it off. The cable was stuck open, so. Alright guys, so it was just the cable was stuck open. Stretching the throttle plate here. So that's why we have that big high idle rev, so now it's good. Close properly. Okay, press the cable again. Gas. Again. It's off. All right. Okay, let's try this again. I'm gonna turn the jump pack. Go ahead. because we didn't close the valve cover.
Oh shit.
Yeah, because we didn't close the valve cover. That's good. That's fine. We know there's oil. We can clean it because we didn't put the valve cover bolts on. That's why it's leaking. But no, it's good now. We're gonna have to clean that up.